अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो में हम बात कर रहे हैं बोन मैरो की। बोन मैरो occupies the marrow cavity in long and short bones and the interstices of cannulous bone in flat and irregular bones. At birth, the marrow of all the bones of body is red and hematopoietic. This blood-forming activity gradually lessens with age, and red marrow is replaced by yellow marrow. At 7 years of age, yellow marrow begins to appear in distal bones of limb. This replacement of the marrow gradually moves the proximally so that by the time the person becomes an adult, red marrow is restricted to the bones of the skull, the vertebral column, the thoracic cage, the griddle bones, and the head of the humerus and femur. All bone surface other than articulating surface are covered by a thick layer of the fibrous tissue called the peritoneum. The periosteum has an abundant vascular supply, and the cells on its deeper surface are osteogenic. The periosteum is particularly well united to bone at sites where the muscles are attached to bone. The bundles of the collagen fibers, known as Sharp's fiber, extend from the periosteum into the underlying bone. The periosteum receives a rich nerve supply and is very sensitive. Development. Bone is developed by two processes, membranous and endochondral. In the first process, the bone is developed directly from the connective tissue membrane. In the second, a cartilaginous model is first laid down and is later replaced by bone. For details of the cellular changes involved, a textbook of histology or embryology should be consulted. The bones of the vault of the skull are developed rapidly by the membranous method in the embryo, and this serves to protect the underlying brain development. At birth, small areas of the membrane persist between the bones. This is important clinically because it allows the bone to certain amount of mobility so that the skull can undergo a molding during its descent through the female genital passage. The long bones of the limb are developed by endochondral ossification, which is a slow process that is not completed until the 18th to 20th year or even later. The center of the bone formation found in the shaft of the bone is referred to as diaphysis, and the ends is epiphysis, and cartilage at each end between epiphysis and diaphysis is growing is known as epiphyseal plate. Thank you for watching.